Hello, this video will show you the new pull batch feature extraction workflow in TBC version 5.30. I will demonstrate the workflow with an X7 dataset. The X7 dataset was obtained from a local school here in Westminster, Colorado. First, we will import our X7 dataset into TBC. We will drag and drop our TDX file into the plan view of TBC. When prompted with the X7 data import options, it is important to make sure that the colorized scan points box is checked, as we will not be able to change this setting once the data is imported. Next, I will open my project settings, navigate to Feature Code Processing, and load in my Global Features FXL file. We will then open the 3D view within TBC and navigate to the Classify Regions tool under the point cloud ribbon. We will classify the point cloud region before extracting poll attributes to aid the software in poll detection. Select the point cloud in your 3D view, then hit Extract to execute the command. Once your point cloud is classified, we can close the Classify Regions tool and open the Extract Point Feature command under the Point Cloud ribbon. Within the Extract Point Feature command pane, change the extraction type to poll and select Automatic. Open the Automatic Poll Extraction settings to enter in a minimum poll height. This newly enhanced feature will allow the software to exclude polls that fall below your specified height during the feature extraction. We will also add in a global feature code, signpost, to make our poll diameters and height editable after the extraction. Once your settings are changed, hit the Extract Poll Attributes button to run the poll batch extraction. We can monitor the automatic poll extraction with the progress bar located at the bottom of your TBC window. If we are only concerned about a subset of our point cloud region, we can use the Rectangle Select or Polygon Select tool at the very bottom of your TBC window. Hit the Rectangle Select icon, then come back to the 3D view to outline your selection. Then, under the Point Clouds ribbon, hit Keep In to remove areas outside of your selection. Utilizing this tool will make processing times faster. When we have our area of interest isolated, we can come back to the Extract Point Feature command pane to run the poll batch extraction. For this demo, the poll batch extraction was run on the entire point cloud region, not a subset. When the poll extraction is complete, we can perform a quality assurance check in the 3D view. A traveling salesman path appears in green within your 3D view to simplify the QA/QC process. The traveling salesman path allows us to validate each extracted poll individually. We can toggle the path on and off. Select a poll you wish to start on and mark it under the Extract Point Feature command pane. Marking the poll tells us where to stop when we are closing the QA/QC loop. We can rotate and zoom in the 3D view to validate individual poll extractions. Under the Attributes heading in the Extract Point Feature command pane, be sure to match the poll diameter and height under the Select Attribute drop-down list on the left to the extracted attribute on the right. If we leave the poll attributes undefined, then the extracted parameters will be discarded. Now we can use the left and right key buttons to make our way around the traveling salesman path. Alternatively, you can hold down Control and the arrows on your keyboard to navigate around the loop. We can block out surrounding noise by using the limit box to provide a clearer view. We can manually adjust the poll diameter by highlighting the poll diameter box, then coming back to the 3D view to measure a new value. Click on the left side of the poll, then the right to measure a new diameter. The same process applies if you want to adjust the height. When panning around the traveling salesman path, we can hit the Ignore button if the Extract Point Feature command misclassified an object or noise as a poll. Ignoring an extracted object We'll remove the extracted point feature from our selection when our QA/QC is complete. The feature will appear in red, and the poll will no longer be added to our project. Keep moving through the loop until the loop is closed back at the original marked point. With all of our polls validated, we can click Add to add them to our project. If there are polls that you want to add manually, switch to the manual extraction type. Thank you for watching.